Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Amrita Raichand and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. As you know, we are here to solve your tiffin woes with 200 recipes for 200 school days. So today's recipe is jacket sweet potatoes. It's fibrous, it's full of vitamin C, it's full of vitamin A, and the mazedar part is that we are going to make it really exciting and really yummy. After all, we have to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. Alright, so let's begin. It's very easy. यहाँ सब कुछ तैयार है. I have my sweet potato that is boiled and ready. इसको क्या करेंगे? We'll cut it lengthwise because we are making jacket potatoes, right? So, I'm going to cut it lengthwise and scoop the inside out with the help of this. अगर आप चाहें तो एक छोटा knife भी लेके उसके help से scoop कर सकते हैं. Just scoop the flesh out. Okay, so I have my sweet potato here. अब इसमें मैं डाल दूंगी some grated carrot and some boiled peas. Now I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, freshly ground pepper, and now I'll add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup, which is going to be a lovely combination. The tanginess of the ketchup and the sweetness of the sweet potato is going to make this really flavorful and take it to another level. Alright, now I'm going to mix all of this well. Everything is cooked, so it's not going to take too much time to prepare it. And now I have a baking tray here. With the help of a brush and some butter, I'm going to grease this. Now I have my potato skins. I'm going to fill this up with this lovely nutritious mix of sweet potatoes, carrots, peas, and of course our tangy ketchup. Here you go. And now I have some grated cheese. Now I'm going to top this up with this grated cheese. Lovely. Cheese is very healthy. Okay. So now I'm going to place this on my baking tray and I'm going to gratinate it for about 5 to 6 minutes in the oven at about 180 degrees. Time to get these beauties out. Lovely. And it's hidden all our vegetables. Now we are going to pack these, but uske pehle I'm going to add some nice freshly cut papaya and some nuts. And now I am going to add my lovely sweet jacket potatoes. Nice, fibrous, wholesome. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network and like and share this video. I will be back tomorrow to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.